Hey guys. Um, so today we want to try our hands on an AI that helps us to clean data, helps us to you know in the data cleaning process. I guess I've used it before, but I just want to do a video shows you how it works and all of that. And this is built by one great guy called Data and he's a Nigerian actually, and his AI or his product is ranking fourth on spreadsheet deck or something. Yeah, worldwide. Yeah, and it's not like they have some funding, so but they're building very very good stuff. And these are the, I mean, this is where the things is going. You obviously have to use this AI as the future, as we go deep into the future as tech grows now. So, and the website is TryDecide, as you can see on the screen, TryDecide.ai. I mean, that's even completing for you, TryDecide.ai. And they've shipped these products. In fact, people are currently subscribing. I guess the subscription is $7 per month. And but it's free for the first month, although you have to input your credit card details and all that, which obviously you can kind of remove. So look at it. Updates. Top what does it say here? Top four for Excel accuracy on spreadsheet bench. Right. I said Dex before, but I guess it's bench. Right. So you can use it in web research, data analysis, and Excel. Build finishing financial models, merge messy spreadsheets, clean years of data fast, and turn data into insight, creates presentation, automate monthly reports, and all of that. So, I mean, this is very important, right? This is where I just want you guys to try it out, right? So you can go ahead and continue with Google or sign up with email, right? But I'm not going to do that because I've done this already. So I'm just going to go through where I've opened my, this is what I did in testing. I loaded up my messy well-logged data set. And as I just said, clean this data set completely. And it had to do a lot of things. So yeah, but I'm going to take you through. It has a lot of things like this. This is kind of what it did for me. This is like the reports, cleaning reports. I mean, I kind of like cleaning reports, right? This is loading up. Kind of like the cleaning reports. It's dark screen. I'm a favorite of dark screen anyway. So this is the well log data set cleaning report, messy to clean conversion. Yeah, executive summary. A lot of information here, but I'm going to take you through all of that here again so that you could see what I'm saying here. So right now, I'm just going to, this is my conversation for yesterday. I'm just going to new charts, right? And I'm going to load a dataset to it. So upload. You can also upload from, Google Sheets, right? If you have your Google Sheet links, then upload file. I'm going to load a dataset that is about 12,000 rows. And let's see how it goes, right? And Petroleum dataset nightmare. That's crazy anyway. Oh, okay. All right. So I mean, it's loading up. Let's see what happens. I mean, set is a nightmare. Okay. I'm going to be looking if this AI is going to be able to solve the nightmare question, be able to clean this nightmare problem, right? So I mean, it's loading up. Say petroleum nightmare just said is still uploading. It should be ready in a moment. All right, here we go. So we are looking at that, and this contains about 12,000 rows of data. It's quite much actually. I've cleaned this data set already, but I just want to compare it to see what it does for me. I know as for the AI, there are some things you have to obviously do immediately after the cleaning or something. But I'm just going to say clean these data sets completely. I'm not just gonna give you any prompts, just simple prompts, right? So this has loaded up, right? All right, so I can just, send a message. All right, so let's see what happens. The very good thing about this is kind of communicating. Set aside, I will help you clean these data sets. Let me first download and examine it to understand what we are working with. Perfect. Then assets. Now let me load and analyze the full data set to understand all the data quality issues. Okay, try that. That means you want to understand the issues in the data. All right. Good, 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 good. And now it's creating an output directory. Okay. This is great. Okay. All right, here we go. We can see the thinking process, running a command, thinking percentage total, percentage received, percentage uh, xFAD average, blah blah, running a command Python. So uses Python to do all of this. So this is kind of interesting to me. I understand, and you can obviously kind of close sidebar if you wish, and close the sidebar. It depends on what you want. So that's an interesting feature. I kind of love the interface. It looks like ChatGPT, right? But of course, it's not ChatGPT, but the feature is important. Looks very dark and slick to me. Not really like dark. This area is more like an ash color than here is dark. I mean, I just love it. Then now, perfect. I understand all the data quality issues. Oh no, this is very fast. Understand all the quality issues. Let me create a comprehensive data cleaning script. Perfect. Now let me create a comprehensive cleaning report. Document so fast. Perfect. The document has been completed, and here's what I've found and fixed. Oh, perfect. Kind of like that. Perfect anyway. All right, so data quality issues resolved, major problems identified, fixed units in numeric field, percentage symbols, error strings and placeholders. Um, it's telling me all the issues, right? Like you get this caliper had issues, had in. Yeah, I know it had in. Depth has M with it, fixed with decimal only values. Removed all unit surfaces for standardizations, you know, and then porosity has stuff like this percentage in it, right? Which you have to resolve. Good values like that. Um, I'm gonna have to be serious here. I didn't think I catch this. Like, okay, I don't think I caught this percentage in this porosity. I cleaned that data, so I know what I'm saying. Yeah, but I got this and this and this and this, right? So I got it. I did all of that. All right. So negative values. Okay. Here we go. Inconsistent column headers, right? The data type issues of cars. You have to convert that. Very important to float to decimal numbers. All right, results is 12,500 record fully processed. I told you guys it's over 12,000 rows of data, 21 columns, all units fixed, all unit surfaces removed, all error strings replaced, all negative values in impossible columns, missing values preserved. Okay, for statistical integrity. Very good. So this is my clean data, and I'm going to proceed to open that. All right, let's see what happens. It's going to open. Here we go. Okay, waiting. All right, waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, seems like do I have to download that or something? Because this guy is just opening. Okay, it's opening in Google Sheets, right? I don't know if I should leave that in Google Sheet anyway. But okay, maybe I should just leave it. That's open. Petroleum 90% clean. Perfect. Okay. This is the depths. Okay, I can see it did not arrange this depth the way I wanted it from, you know, the lowest to the highest. Okay, I get it. Get it anyway. Okay, I can do that. But this is the claims data set. Okay. Uh, can I add funnels to this? Okay, I guess this guy is still loading. Is it network or something? Oh yeah, so I don't know why it's still loading. Guess it's network, I don't know. But I guess someone needs to get me Starlink, right? So but this is my claims data sets. And obviously I'm gonna remove some rows because I don't need some rows. Stuff like this where ID. I guess it's not that important to me, right? And Okay, this should work now. Okay, very good. And I would obviously like to put this funnel for all of them. Remove funnels, add funnels. All right, here we go. Okay, this just values now. Let me check this guy. Mm, load more, load more, load more. I want to see something here. Something I'm looking for. Unless I can't find it here. Okay. Um, let me go down this row. I'm looking for something. It was able to do that because I couldn't look for down there. All right, but everything seems to be okay here right now, and it looks perfect. I can obviously download this on my Excel. Going back here, I can just download here. So, yeah, just download here. Let's see. All right, let me get it downloaded and clean. Okay. All right, here it is downloading, and I will obviously want to open that. I hope this is not taking so long. I didn't plan for it to be long, but I have to show that. All right, here we go. Open up. Open up. All right, so this is the clean data I did before now. I guess you could take a glimpse before the other one is opening, right? And you could see I arranged that according to that. So I want to enable a D thing, right? So this is how it's looking right now. And of course there will be differences. There will be differences, but we could walk over the differences. So I just want to put it there and see what happens. Right, there's something I'm looking for here. And I hope the AI got it right. Oh, he got it right. There was a dolomite here, a lithology term, a dolomite soil type here, or rock sample type, I guess. So it was in my data set in this water sat. So I guess it has replaced that with a blank or no value. So this is it. And going back to this, you could obviously go to check the executive summaries and reports. Why is this taking time to load? I don't know. Okay, what's that? All right, here we go. So right now I'm just going to download this file, the detailed cleaning reports. Here we go. Hmm. So this is it. You could obviously go ahead and try decide and see what you can get out of it. But I mean, it's interesting to see the AI try it out. And I mean, this guy gave me in a PDF file format that I can just download. The other one wasn't in PDF file format, but I mean, I still like it. This is the other one I gave for yesterday, but today's own was more like an executive, you know. And the date is March 24, okay? And time. The report documents the comprehensive cleaning process applied to petroleum. And wow, this is great. And it just did the love thing here. We went over that here. And cleaning actions performed step one, step two, step three. It showed you all the steps. Showed you all the steps. Result summary, metrics, total rows, 1200, 1200, 12,500. Um, before cleaning, after cleaning. Damn, how did you do that? You did not. There is no duplicate columns. Let me check how um how many rows I have here. This is I don't know, but this is obviously, guys, this is my data. I should be able to go to Power Query. I can't see Power Query on my icons to be able to count that. But yeah, but it shows that this guy obviously did not um remove any rows of data. Rows with data quality issues, 6,100 plus resolved, blah blah blah. Negative values removed, missing values, so no duplicate values removed. Missing values by column after cleaning. Okay. It shows you by percentage after column, and recommended recommendations for data usage, handling missing values. Data set retains missing values at 2% per column. Okay, quite good. List-wise deletion for strict analysis removes entire row if any value is missing. Okay, mean, median, imputation for continuous variation, KNN. That's K nearest number, right? For multiple imputations for more. I mean, this is you can read, pause that and read on your screen, but I mean, I guess this is quite interesting to see. Um, so you can go over that. I just decided to do that to see how it looks like, and for you guys to see how the walkthrough goes. So um, I guess we learned one or two. So try decide and have a good day. Meanwhile, this is not an advert, right? This is not an advert. Thank you and have a nice day.